Hi, I'm Barry William Edwards of KVM Freedom and Stealth Campervans. If you already have one of our lovely vehicles, congratulations and welcome to the family. If you're thinking about owning one, maybe this short vid will help you take that final step, as it should give you a very good insight to the ins and outs and the workings of these beautiful handcrafted campervans. First of all, I'd like to show you the kind of vans that we convert into campers and why we chose these particular vehicles. Now, the vans that we convert here at KVM are the Nissan Elgrand and also the Toyota Alphard and Velfire, the new shape. They are late model vehicles and they are beautiful. They're lovely to drive. They have all the bells and whistles of the modern luxury car, and they have the safety and the reliability to boot. Now, these vans are loaded with safety features. Of course, they have the airbags and the backing cameras. They're also chain driven, so there's no cam belt to worry about. Now, the 2.5 and 3.5 Nissan and Toyota engines are just beautiful. They're smooth, clean burning, reliable, and they drive like a dream. I know what you're thinking. Oh, fuel consumption, this is going to be expensive. Actually, no. Remember, these were 7-seaters, and 5 of those huge, big, heavy seats have now been taken out. And you're not carrying 6 passengers, remember. So once we convert them into camper vans, they are quite light, and you'll be pleasantly surprised with the fuel consumption. Now, when we buy our vans, they are all mechanically checked over from top to bottom, inside and out. And I don't purchase them unless they are vans that I would be happy keeping for myself long term. That's my policy. We don't sell a van to anyone else unless I would be happy keeping it for myself. Okay, it's time for the part you've all been waiting for, the sleeping quarters. But I want you to remember something. Whether you're buying one of my vans or anyone else's vans, the most important part of the purchase is the vehicle, not what's in the back. It's the vehicle that's got to be safe, it's got to be reliable, it's got to be comfortable. You don't want it breaking down or anything going wrong when you ride out in the wop-wops or where there's no one else to help you or support you. So the most important part of your purchase is the van, the good quality van, not what's in the back, okay? The back is secondary. But in saying that, there's nothing secondary about what we put in the back of these vans. Now, the wood tops are all handcrafted. They're handmade. None of this cheap chipboard or custom board here. It's real wood and it's all handcrafted. It's been stained 3 times to get the particular color that we like, because you can't buy it. And then it's been varnished twice. And we've ended up with this beautiful, rich caramel of a finish. I just love it. Although a few people may try and copy our designs and layouts and do a cheap version, they just can't match our level of quality and service. And remember, our camper build and all the components therein come with a full 12-month replacement warranty. So if you would like to own a small Freedom camper van that drives like a car yet feels like a luxury RV, give us a call at KVM Campervans and make your bid for freedom today.